In the heart of Illinois, a beautiful villa stands as a testament to love and craftsmanship. Every detail matters. Our aluminum windows invite natural light, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere. And in the heart of the home, the cozy bay window creates a perfect nook for quiet moments and family stories.
The bay window has become our favorite spot. We spend so many evenings here, sharing stories and laughter.
Now let's talk about the star of the show, our stunning folding door. Imagine effortlessly connecting your living room to the outdoor patio, expanding your space for family gatherings and celebrations.
We love how the folding door brings the outside in. It makes our home feel so much larger and more inviting.
This is where cherished moments unfold, where indoor comfort meets the beauty of nature. Our inviting entrance door welcomes friends and family, setting the tone for love and warmth within. At Louvidao, we create more than homes. We build spaces where love grows.